Hello friends, today first time I'm gonna share on my channel. If you want to create free AI images using the best tool, that is Microsoft Image Creator, so you can level up your social media, even not only social media, even for any purpose. You have any prompts in your mind, you can give to this free AI tool and this will create incredible images for you. So let's start. You can go to this link, designer.microsoft.com/image creator. Now you can type here, see, describe the image you would like to create, and here we can explore prompts, different prompts. You can see Microsoft Image Creator is giving you examples, but if I have something in my mind, for instance, my client name is Maria Butt, and she wants to generate a 3D illustration of a cute girl, like animated character, and she's sitting on the top of a social media logo, like it's Instagram or Facebook, and the character should wear some clothes, and a mock-up of her Instagram profile should be background with the profile name, like as I told you, her name is Maria Butt, and there should be a profile picture also same as the character. So how we can generate this? See, I will type here, generate a 3D illustration of a cute girl, animated character, sitting on the top of a social media logo, Instagram, and the character must wear the latest Pakistani clothes, and a mock-up of her Instagram profile page should be background with the profile name Maria Butt, and a profile picture same as the character. So I have typed my prompt, what I have in my mind that I want to generate for the social media account of my client. So what I will do, I will now click on generate, and you will hold tight. Your images are being created with the AI. So we will have to wait a few seconds, and within few seconds Microsoft Image Creator will create incredible images, stunning images, AI images you can use for your social media accounts, and you can increase the boost, you can increase the rankings, using these images. See, it's incredible. See, you can see here, like, see Maria, but it's here, and you can see. And if I type here, like, for example, American clothes, see, we can save them also. Like if you click like this and you want to see Maria Butt is typed here, see, and now she is sitting on the logo also. And if we want to use this image, so we can download it, and this will download in our computer, see. And if we open this image, so this will open, see. So I will type now here, for example, instead of Pakistani clothes, she should wear American clothes. See, it's incredible. So now she is wearing, see, for example, this one, and you can see the name of her profile also here, and she is now wearing American clothes with, you can see, a cap also on her head, and with the American flag. So we can download this one also, which one you like, you can download, you can even edit the image. And if we want to download this one, we can also download. And now if I change it, for example, social media logo, for example, now Facebook, and a mock-up of her Facebook profile. If you generate it, so this will now generate images related to the Facebook social media platform. So not only for these social media platforms, whatever you have in your mind, any prompt you have in your mind, you can search in this box and Microsoft Image Creator will generate incredible images. See, now see this one, and you're sitting on the Facebook logo, and you can see like we can download anyone like this one. If we want to download, so we can click on download. So like this, we can generate and download images for the social media. Now, for example, if you have any other thing in your mind, for example, speakers on the top of mountains, and if I type you can see here like tip a jungle oasis as a film still, see, an underwater shot of sea caves, see. So here people, how they are generating images, add a different religion, see, like this one. So these are the examples. See, an ostrich in a pond as a Polaroid, see, a living room as a, see. Now this one which we typed the prompt, like speakers on the top of the mountains, and see now how it's looking, and there is a concert also, see, and here you can see incredible, see, images on the top of the mountains. So we can also generate whatever we have in our mind, we can generate here. So this is the easy method you can use and you can follow to generate 3D illustrations for the related to the social media platforms, and that you can use. And second, I also explained how you can generate images whatever you have in your mind. Like I typed here mountains, speakers on the mountains, and Microsoft Image Creator generated some incredibly beautiful images, AI images for me. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn and they can increase their professional skills. Especially this is the modern period of artificial intelligence, AI, so they can use these tools. I will definitely share more tools in the upcoming videos, and those tools will be definitely free. So without paying any cost, you can use them and you can generate hundreds of thousands of images for your personal or commercial projects. Thank you so much once again.